Okay. So, all right, hold up your finger now.
My. Hey.
Let's see what was on the finger now. Hold the finger, turn it around. Okay. What is on the finger?
Nia.
Weight Industries Company.
Price is destroying the product.
That's what it do here. As you can see, there's a lot of peppers here forming. Look how beautiful it is. Hi guys, just come on down and enjoy it. Oh, it's so very nice here. You know, as material, it's very cool. It's very nice. There's a lot of pepper here. We eat apples. Oh my God, I can't look at it. Look at this apple. Oh man.
So,
So
despite of
lovely
the
here.
coronavirus, we are here together enjoying ourselves at the Weight Estate.
Even though we have to be our distance, because look at this, we gotta wear a mask. We have to have on our mask. Because you know we don't want to involve in this virus thing. We need it to go away. Okay, that we can spread our wing much better.
So we're going to walk down further in the pepper field.
Hey guys, follow my YouTube channel.
And also,
Click the like button.
never is that moment.
Yeah, since we are all here as a family, that's what we want to come up here today. Shut up in the ants nest.
Come on here,
Sure, come here. You know, don't know me and Shari they together like forever.
That I got in it too. Watch ya.
So, we are just getting it officialized.
Yay!
Come here,
NJ.
Hey Nia.
Mia, come here. Come on, listen. Come on, listen what Daddy is saying to Mommy. Stand up here, baby. Stand up here, son. Mommy said.
Only for editing, but that's so you go.
Zoom in.
No, I don't have to.
Look at Daddy and Mommy.
Yes, but you guys gotta
What you wear? What you wear?
Wearing
come over here, just know what.
Yes, baby. Is that finger? I don't even know. Okay. So, all right, hold up your finger now.
My. Hey.
Let's see what was on the finger now. Hold the finger, turn it around. Okay. What is on the finger?
Nia.
So even so, these little plants come down here. It's so beautiful and so quiet. But guess what happened? Something special happened down here.
Alright, so someone is gonna take the phone now.
It's an
While me
engagement
walk.
down here.
Enter. Because we don't have a friend, we are going to edit everything we want.
Right, so we do have an engagement down here and everything, alright. Say what you have to say towards your ring and your fingers, sweetie.
No. We're going to walk.
I'm loving my ring, guys. almost 11 years, 2 beautiful kids, yeah. A lot of ups and downs, but we're good.
Yeah, girl.
We're going to walk through the rest of the property now. Let's go, Papi.
Yeah, see one more ear, one more ear.
I will leave over
One more sleeping
What ants nest?
What, you know what's up?
Okay.
Everybody, you're going to stay behind us. You will be behind us.
Okay.
Hey.
So everybody ready? We're gonna take a tour of the rest of the farm. So this is our spicy. This is our spicy pepper farm.
Not take no good pictures, so not
With hot peppers, Scotch bonnets, you know, the mixtures.
hit the notification button.
Yeah, what my nephew just said. Do that.
And opportunity, you know, in Jamaica, we do have to have our ital plant.
Mhm.
Some would say, oh,
Got you.
what is that exactly?
Mhm.
It is the marijuana plant.
Yes, guys.
So let me have a closer view.
We have to have our marijuana plant, and to be honest with you, we're not breaching anything, guys. We're just planting it for ourselves, our purpose at home. That's it.
Medicinal use,
purpose,
guys.
right?
Okay?
So we don't
See you
use it
later.
for anything healthy, okay? But you'll see more of it after.
Nobody tell me that.
Take on your time, watch on the step, guys.
Get friends.
No, that's okay.
Well, him,
Okay.
Come, wanna come this side.
friends, a rebel, you know. Fine,
Oh, you were asking for pineapple, see them on the border, they come straight down.
There. Wanna watch on a step. Alright, here he is.
That's over to the corner. Spiky top.
Oh.
I'm out here.